Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Cindy A. Lewis and I am part of a Dollar Tree Collab gift exchange hosted by K is for Karen. I've been doing this with her for several years. We have a whole big group of 9 of us this year that exchanged Dollar Tree items in a big old box wrapped, and I am excited. My sender and gifter was Rochelle from the Delightful Crafter. And I'm excited because I haven't had anything from her before, and I'm just excited to be a part of it. So I really want you to go watch all of these videos if you don't mind. Tell them Cindy A. Lewis sent you. They're linked below. We're all posting at the same time, so I'll get the links on to the direct video as soon as possible. But the link to their channel is already in the description. So if you're watching like later, I've probably already updated it for you. So if you're new to my channel, I hope that you'll subscribe. I invite you to be a part of it. Also, post below something, say hi. Whatever you'd like to, and I'd like to meet you. I am just thrilled to have back all my YouTube family and everyone to join in this fun, festive thing that we do this year. So don't forget, go to K is for Karen and thank her for hosting this, because this is a lot of fun and it helps our channels get out there. So that's really fun too. Now, this is my crafting therapy video, because shopping is crafting therapy, right? Okay, so I'm gonna open this box and we're gonna see what's the best way to do the video. Is it with me with these little elfie ears, or is it just showing you? I think it's gonna be me taking it out, but let me check. This is so fun. It really is like Christmas. So this is it packed away. And there's my card. We were supposed to include a card, and every gift is wrapped in some way. Sometimes they'll, different ones do it different ways. So we'll see. Okay, this one is, oh, look what a pretty card she made. Oh, she says she hopes that I enjoy the goodies. I'm sure. Useful. Yummy. Ooh. Aww. She says, please continue to be the infectious cheer we need in the world. Oh, I love it. Crafty hugs. Crafty hugs back to you, Rochelle. And thank you so much for taking the time to pick out these gifts just for me. You're taking a break. Her channel is the Delightful Crafter. So make sure, even so, that you go over there and say hello to her. Tell her Cindy A. Lewis sent you. Okay, so she packed it really nicely. Always like to save that. Of course, as a crafter, we always save everything, don't we? Because we might be able to use it. Okay, she really was making sure. Okay, so these were all together, and there's a little note, and it says, enjoy a little bit of pampering. Well, I got to keep all my notes. Hold on. Gotta do that. This is so fun, you guys. I'm so thankful to be a part of this group of ladies and gentlemen that want to show love and care for each other. It's just fun. All right, let's see what it is. She's wrapped in this pretty pink. Ooh, yes. See, these are awesome, you guys. So you put these under your eyes, and then I haven't tried the lip one, but it's like an eye mask. Well, it says it is. And it says aloe vera, but some of them have collagen too. And it just gives you like a brighter eye, just makes your face. Thank you so much. I love it. Okay, let's see what else there is in here. This is this one. I'm excited. I'm like tearing into things. I usually don't. I usually am like more controlled. And here's some collagen mask treatment. Who doesn't need that? We all need that. We all. Okay, next one. Okay, let's see what this one is. Oh, and the serum, you guys. You have to get the serum. It is so... your skin just soaks it up. You have to get it. You have to. So if you see it, because I haven't seen it in a while. They disappear, I'm telling you, and it's way more than $1.25, just saying. Okay, let's see what this one is. This one is, ooh, what is this? Ceramic eye wand. I have not seen this. So what, okay, glasses, got to put the glasses on. This is it. Have you seen this at your store? I love to see what the different stores have to offer that all of our stores don't always have. It has 2-piece instant cooling effect. Well, how to use. After applying your favorite eye cream, glide the ceramic tips gently under the eyes in a sweeping motion. Okay, has anyone tried this? And I didn't just apply eye cream, but it looks like this. I gotta try it. It is cool. Oh, wow. That's very neat. I've never ever seen that. So if you're interested, it is very cool. Literally cool. Thank you, Rochelle. All right, here's this one. This is still the pamper stuff. This is the next one, and it's an exfoliating bath glove, and it's, you know, exfoliating. And here is a clay face mask. Oh, she's got me gonna be really pampering. All right, next she put stuff in a bag, and this says a few tools to help your creativity. All right, I love it. I love that she used wrapping paper to make her tags. All right, there's several things in here. Let's see what she found at her store. All right, here's the first one. To help my creativity, what do you think it is? Let me see. Do you think it's paint? I think it's paint. What do you think? Do you think? I'm good at guessing. All right, let's see. Let's see. Mod Podge. Yay! I can always use Mod Podge. Always. Okay, this one. Oh, I hit it. Is it a paintbrush or a marker? Oh, cool. I love these. This is an embossing tool, and you can buy it at Dollar Tree. And it has 2 different size balls on it, one here and one here. And it has the little rubber thing to wrap around so you can hold it easily with your hands. I love it. Thank you. All right. Trying to figure it out now. Like, you know, the pampering stuff I didn't know, but creativity stuff maybe I do. I don't know what this is. Do you think it's not beads? I don't know. Let's see what it is. Oh, there we go. I forgot. She said tools. So this is for your crafting. It's a scraper, and it's purple. It's perfect. Thank you. All right. Okay, if this is a tool, scissors maybe? No, it doesn't feel like scissors. Let's see. A rotary cutter. Yes, I haven't bought one. I had one along years ago, but I hadn't used one in forever. Nice. And then if you have this, and you don't have a scoring pad or anything, or a trimmer, you can use a ruler and use this. Nice. Easy to cut straight. Okay, what's this one? Is it for paint, I wonder? Maybe put paints in to mix them or something. Let's see. No! I did not guess that one right. These are clamps, of course. What crafter cannot use those? Always can use those. Thank you so much, Rochelle. Very, very thoughtful of you. All right, let's see what's this. This one has a bow on it, guys. Oh, I think it's gonna break. It's not broken, but I think it could break. I know what it is. Look, it's a snowman mug. I love snowmen. I just did a snowman craft. Oh, there's something in it. Hold on. Hold on. I love it. Look how big it is. It's huge. I'm moving the whole table. Look how big it is. How cute. This snowman is still together. However, the snowman in my craft, he melted. Okay, so what was in the snowman cup? Look, a hot chocolate bomb. Perfect. Perfect. I'm going to have to make it. This one is milk chocolate with marshmallows. Perfect. Thank you so much, Rochelle. Okay, so then we have this one. Let me move the box. And on the tag, she wrote on the tag, a little bit to curl up and warm up. Okay, so this is what's in here. She may have given me something to snack on. I don't know. Maybe some little yummies in here. Oh, yep. You know, they had these last year at my store, but they didn't have them this year. These are the peppermint candy spoons. Cute. I love those. I love those. So I wonder if these are chocolate because it shakes the same. Let's see. I love guessing what the gifts are. Can you tell? Okay. It is. It's the chocolate ones. Yay! Now, I want you to know if these are the same, you could cut them out. Like if you were going to make a chocolate mug, I think there's a way to cut it and still keep it sealed so you can separate them. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Last gift. Let's see. So we had 15 gifts plus a card. And she really does want me to warm up. I love Swiss Miss with marshmallows. How did she even know that? I don't know. Thank you so much, Rochelle. I appreciate your thinking of all these gifts for me and taking the time to shop for them and then send them to me. I really, really appreciate it. I'm going to lay them here so you guys can see, and I'll take a picture. But I really, really am blessed to be a part of such an awesome group. And thank you again for watching, and I will talk to you again soon.